Hi everybody and welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz. That's Jack over there.
Yep.
And today is episode 2 of our mini-sode on pancakes, waffles, and breakfast confectionery, I guess is the best way to put it. And today we're going to do waffles. Now this one's a little different because you have to have a waffle maker or a waffle iron. If not, you're just going to have to make pancakes and cut little squares in them, I guess. So let's get to it. So this one's simple if you got the stuff. We got the Belgian waffle and pancake mix. It can be both, apparently. I didn't know the difference.
Makes me wonder what the difference is.
Need some oil, 3/4 cup of water, 1 egg. A little bit of oil for the thing, right? And then two most important parts: bacon to sit beside your waffle because it gets sad. And the most important part, you can't do this unless you have it, some kind of waffle iron. Like I always grew up with one that went on the stove. I never had a Star Wars one. So jump on the bacon so we can go ahead and mix, let this start cooking. So we put it about medium or so.
Yep.
Put the bacon. Now we didn't cut this one down. We left them long strips and just pull them apart. I've seen people that just throw it in this one big slab. Never understood how that cooked in the middle.
I'm not a fan of that.
And it'll shrink. Like, don't worry about it. It's going to get a little long. It'll be fine. As long as it stays on the fire.
Move that over a little bit. Yeah, there we go.
So, again, get you a cup and a half now. The half cup thing fits down in the box decently well. Not perfect. This got a little gap there. We're not measuring it by the grain, I guess. And the big one doesn't fit, so you can use this to dip it out. Right? You can do that or shake the bag, which works, but it makes a mess.
Oh, yeah. So I wouldn't call this a 100% accurate measurement, but it gets the job done. Sort of.
See? That looks like it makes up for that little divot. Yeah. If cooking was an exact science, nobody could do it. You can use the little spoon to do the same thing, but nah. So then you get the 3 cups of the corn oil that we put in there, or vegetable
3
oil.
tablespoons of oil. Not 3 cups.
Oh, come on, 3 cups would be fun. I want to watch somebody cook it with 3 cups. No, that was my mistake. That's 3 tablespoons, and then get out your fork and whisk this stuff around. Now, again, if you have a fork, it's going to take a little while, but that's how we did it growing up. We didn't ever have one of these wire whips.
Wire whip? What the hell is a wire whip?
It's apparently what people from Belgium call a whisk. So just take that and just beat the ever-living crap out of it. Be sure to scrape the sides, get the stuff that's stuck over there. Now, if you see somebody wandering around the back, that's Jack, because we're cooking the bacon. Now, you can get distracted when you're doing this and lose track of the bacon going over there because you don't want lumps.
Yep.
And you don't have a partner over there that can reach and turn it for you or try to find the tongs to flip it.
Yeah, the spatula tongs.
Keep an eye on your bacon while you're doing this because it takes a while to get the lumps out. Pull the wire out, you don't see any lumps, you're good.
Now, I could not find the spatula tongs, which suck because those things are awesome for
outstanding.
this.
If we can find the company to make those and get a sponsorship, that would be outstanding.
Yeah.
Spatula tongs.
Spatula tongs.
But, again, this is bacon. Do it however you're going to do it, right? If you want it like chewy like I do it that way. If you want it crunchy, do it, but don't sit near me.
Trying to manipulate it with the oversized
just flip it over. Again, the whole thing's going to get hot now. And remember to take the grease to do something useful with it. I'll just let it sit there. Now, important part, you need to put a little grease or a little bit of oil, but just like some spray Spam or some oil or something. Spray Spam. If you put Spam on it, I will throw up. And then just pour it right inside. Now, most of the waffles don't have an awesome Darth Vader face, as we're testing this for the first time on camera. We figured we'd try that.
Just experiment. See how it goes. I got this as a Christmas gift.
Yeah, but you take it and you fill in all the little holes and stuff with it. Now, it's got a little timer on the how light or dark you want it. But then the little light on the top goes off, tells you when it's ready to go. Boom, there you go. Kind of cut off a little bit of his helmet there, but...
Oh, well. It happens.
I don't think Proust would really mind that much.
Nah.
Lucas would, but the rest is fine.
You gotta get it out of there.
Just grab it by the middle, put it on a plate, boom, you're good to go. Now, the batter we did is enough to do at least 3 of these. You can use a fork 4. If you don't have the little tongs to do whatever, right? And just put them in there. Now, remember to oil it in between these, or you're going to end up with a pile of waffle.
And it's going to stick, and it's going to tear when you pull it out.
Yeah. And
we know.
The square waffles don't have the big holes in the side. Like, this is very much a specialty waffle they maker.
Yeah, this really makes me wonder what the difference between a pancake and a waffle is, because they look
squares.
The same.
Well, this one's shaped like Darth Vader.
Yeah.
That's the difference.
This is shaped is it the little squares? Because I looked up stuff on the internet and I couldn't find any meaningful
waffle
difference.
Is Belgian for I have little square holes in me. And see, there's the dark side. And nerd.
Oh.
Now, you got those off. You can put butter on them as soon as you're done, so the butter will spread really well. Make sure your bacon, like this, is proper bacon. It's nice and wiggly. The edges are kind of textured. Now, if you grab it and it sticks straight out, it's just burnt, and you're a bad person, and you feel bad.
We've had a poll about this.
You got to get the
crunchy bacon.
Yeah, people want a lot of things in life too. Like there's people with red hats on. So there you go. That cost us like maybe what, like $3 or $4 if you don't have to buy the waffle maker. Waffle maker is a little bit of a stretch. You can find stuff like that or get it as a gift, like Jack did. Yep. You can find them at thrift stores. You can get regular waffle makers for like a couple of bucks. It's worth it to be able to put these together. All right, there you go. It's waffles. It came out of a waffle maker. It looks like a pancake because it's got the Darth Vader thing on it, but it's a waffle, I swear. I don't know the difference other than there's little squares cut in them. But there you have that. That's our second in our mini-sode, so we'll put that out. And stay tuned tomorrow for our next part. We're going to do some bacon pancakes, which is going to be a thing. So stay tuned there. You can find us on YouTube Tuesdays and Fridays, or on Facebook at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen there, or you can find us at Instagram, Living Between, and what was it, Pinterest at Living Between Paychecks there, and on Patreon. We'll see you next time.